What is Montessori education? Montessori education is a child centered educational approach developed by Dr. Maria Montessori in the early 20th century. It emphasizes independence, hands on learning, and respect for a child's natural psychological development. The Montessori method is based on the idea that children learn best when they are free to explore their interests in a supportive, prepared environment. Key principles of Montessori education: child centered approach. Montessori classrooms are designed around the needs and interests of the child rather than a fixed curriculum. Children have the freedom to choose activities that interest them, encouraging self motivation and independence. Prepared environment. The learning environment is carefully organized to support independent exploration and learning. Materials are designed to be self correcting, helping children develop problem solving skills without constant teacher intervention. Mixed age classroom. Montessori classrooms typically group children in mixed age range 3 to 6 years old, encouraging peer learning. Older children often take on mentoring roles, while younger children are inspired by their older peers. Hands on learning. Montessori education focused on tactile hands-on learning experiences. Children use specific Montessori material to explore concepts like maths, language, science, and geography through practical real-world activities. Individualized learning plans. Teachers observe each child's progress and tailor lessons to fit their individual learning style. This encourages mastery of skills rather than a one size fits all approach. Role of the teacher. Montessori education, the teacher acts as a guide or facilitator rather than a traditional instructor. They provide lessons when appropriate but mostly allow children to direct their learning experiences. Focus on practical life skills. Montessori emphasizes the importance of life skills such as caring for oneself, the environment, and others activities like cleaning, cooking, and gardening are integral to the curriculum. About Montessori materials. Montessori materials are unique educational tools designed to promote hands on learning. These materials are usually made from natural materials like wood and are designed to be aesthetically pleasing and simple. They are self correcting, meaning children can identify and correct their mistakes without adult help. Benefit of Montessori education: fosters independence. Children learn to take charge of their learning and become self reliant. Encourages intrinsic motivation. Instead of relying on external rewards, children are motivated by their curiosity and love for learning. Promotes social skills. Interaction in a mixed age environment encourages collaboration, empathy, and social development. Enhances concentration and focus. Children are given uninterrupted time to focus on tasks that interest them, helping to develop attention and perseverance. Montessori education is offered at preschool, elementary, and secondary levels, with many schools adopting variations of this methodology. Thanks for watching.